After the shipper has booked your offer, you can execute the order. During the transport, you need to give regular status updates. This way the shipper keeps an eye on his transport order and you provide a good service, as he is proactively informed by you about the transport progress. You can first assign your driver to the transport. To do this, click on Assign Truck and fill in the driver's phone number, his name and the plate number. Also, confirm the pickup of the goods as soon as possible after loading to inform the shipper about the current status. To do this, state the pickup time and whether there were any complications during pickup. Also confirm the drop-off as soon as you have delivered the goods to the destination. Finally, upload the proof of delivery. If everything goes well, the proof of delivery will be confirmed by the shipper and the payment process will start immediately. The order is now complete and you will be paid as fast as possible.